Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And I say a warm welcome to you. All right, so before we get into today's video, I just want to shout out a wonderful soul who sent me this cutting board. Okay, I'm just bringing it close to the camera for you to see what's written on there. It says Kalitos TV. I don't know if you can see it well. All right, it has the name engraved on it, and I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. God bless and reward you abundantly. All right, so today we're making a one tomato stew or sauce, you might want to call it. So we harvested these tomatoes from our garden this year, and this is the only big one. Look at the size. This is so huge. So I am going to make a one tomato stew. Let's get into the video. So friends, for my one tomato stew, I'll be using this leftover barbecue chicken, assorted mushrooms, yellow and red onions, and then some pepper. I'm going to go ahead and cut all these ingredients and we'll continue the video. To a pan, you want to add any cooking oil of your choice. I'm adding my chicken. Friends, our one tomato stew is ready. If you've watched the video till the end, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you give this recipe a try.